The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe with the bare roof that we've just installed the Yakima BaseLine JetStream base roof rack system onto. So this system utilizes the Yakima JetStream load bar, 50 inches in length. This happens to be the black finish. There's also silver available, or if you want something a little bit more economical, they offer the core bar system. So underneath the bar, we've got the BaseLine tower that comes in a set of 4, and then you have the base clips. So those 3 items make up the base roof rack system. Base clips on the front and back are different from each other on this fitment. So BC 151 on the front, BC 154 on the back. So the base clips include the rubber base pads and the contoured metal clips that just grab onto the door frame here. So these are installed in a predetermined location by Yakima, so 32 inches center to center, and you have a 165-pound weight carrying capacity for this roof rack system. So this is a great system for cargo boxes, cargo baskets, bikes, kayaks, pretty much you name it. So great fit on this roof. So here's just a quick walk around on this particular fitment. For more details and more pictures and easy ordering, click the link in the description below. That'll take you to our website where you have all that good information for you. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, give us a call, shoot us an email, or swing by the shop. But like always, thanks for watching.